Non-start condition. Engine was built by a shop. I don't even know what type of locking clip this is. Customer fitted his own vehicle, on engine, sorry. So, I don't know what's up here. Let me check. And have a look and check what's going on. Are you upside down?
Dan gaan we met z'n in.
Salam, salam.
Dit is het dal.
You can drop it off here with me?
Huh?
Okay.
Hallo.
So that's the community members that do charity drives basically. So he's going around house to house dropping off food. It is new style plastic bloody pipes. Conflex them, they're plastic. Must be turned a bit more. It's not OCD, it's just you don't want to pull on the cabling, man. So you want the sensors to lay where it's supposed to lay. Unfortunately, I have to double check somebody else's work now. That's just part of what I do. I had to go earlier on. We put it in the place now, we won't find it. That'll do. Let me get you out. Thank you. It's a very aggressive looking pulley. We've got gamma injectors, and of course a big. So if they were to fire, they were going to be extremely loud. Notice battery is on charge. Yeah, battery is somewhat dead. I'm pulling cable ties. I asked about this. I did ask about this. I'm going to have to check that. Let's find out where you're laying. Won't start there. It will not start where it's laying right now. Let's not talk about that, ne? Come here. Our pickup's on the wrong place. Get the flat spot. Should be laying here. That's way too far to the back. So we're gonna start with addressing timing, right? I'm gonna shoot the shit loose quickly and see where everything's laying. And I also want to confirm this. I asked about the cam. Is it new or is it OEM cam? It looks new. So I gotta check if that's not pirate. And I gotta check where the timing's laying at the bottom there. Okay, that's what's happening now. That's after corrective timing, right? Let's get the charging stuff off. Battery's off charge. The keys are in it. It's gonna be that attempted first start now, no? Welcome, darling. Give her a chance to clean out all that cylinders now. Give her some time to wake up. Give her some time to figure out what's what pirate, what's original. Give her some heat. I'm gonna switch it off again now. I need it to charge also. Just give it a second. That we can officially call the first start after the engine build, which is operating under normal conditions. Ons het gewoon net haar bel terugvaar, né? It's an hour later, no? Ik laat het net voor loop. She has a funny little, like a little stumble. I think this motor's still tight. That pump is very loud. She does that. Then you have to assist to idle. Like you have to help it. Right, let me press pause home, manipulate TPS, and then come back to that. So what's happening now is, after I've rectified timing, locked up the gear, repositioned the water pump, I'm idling the vehicle to allow it to reset itself via the factory reset in the car. Letting the fan run to normal, don't do nothing. Right? This motor was built. One person built it, another person fitted it, and I'm just the one starting this thing right now, right? So let it run. I don't know if it ran already, I don't know what about, I don't know any history about the car. My brain is telling me the hydraulics must fill up, everything must reset, the fan must go on. You understand? Yeah, it's slowly creeping up. It's taking its own time to get there. Yeah, it's getting there. Don't stress, that's in the gearbox. If you step on the clutch, that sound will go away. Which confirms either your bearing is out, which you play out, or the gearbox is dry, meaning there's very little oil in it. But if it's already doing that sound, the damage is there already, no? Ja, dit is kind of my fault. Sien dat hulle hoe ek geruk aan daai ene, né? En ek het hom gelos. Wat ek hom geruk het en gelos het, toe snap daai stukkie corner af. Now if I didn't do this, I wouldn't have found the vacuum leak underneath the throttle body. My vet hande voet daar onder in nie. So, yeah. 3 vacuum leaks. The gear wasn't locked up nice and tight. Timing was out by 1.5 teeth. What else? Oh yeah. The screw in the TPS, that hole is right through, guys. It goes into the unit now. So if you don't put the correct bolt in there and this bolt is loose, then that's also a vacuum leak. This was also a vacuum leak here. The gasket is broken from here till there. Right, so that was also a vacuum leak. This is a complete other throttle body I had to put on here now. I had to double check if the pirate pulley is the correct teeth count and the slots correct. But soos julle kan sien, ek het hom nie gebou nie, ek het hom nie ingesit nie. Ek het hom net gesit waar hy moet wees, né? That's it. Ons wag oor die fijne man te gaan, né? En dan gaan ek vir jou sê jy kan kwaal.